fundamental relation between the three sides of a right angle triangle.
So the triangle must be right.
Right angle triangle.
Of course. So بالنسبه يا جماعه للناس اللي قاعده معانا Pythagoras theorem دي we couldn't apply it at any triangle. The triangle must be right. يبقى مثلث قائم الزاويه يعني الناس يا جماعه اللي متابعين معانا يعني. اوكي كمل يا عم.
It states that the square of the hypotenuse, side opposite to the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. The theorem can be written as an equation relating to the length of side ABC as A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. Where C represents the length of the hypotenuse, the side of the right angle. And AB represents the length of the triangle's two other sides.
Okay, if I asked you about the three numbers, triples of Pythagoras, if I asked you about 5, 12, 13, concentrate with me please. أنا بقول لك 5, 12, 13 وأنا عارف أنا بستخدم numbers مش كبيرة وبكلم برضه يعني عمرو ياسر يعني. 5, 12, 13 معانا نصار ولا الراجل ده لازم بيحارب لوحده ولا إيه؟ طيب 5, 12, 13 could be sides for a right angle triangle. If you are not sure, عمرو. Many thanks. 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2 equal 13 power 2 169. الله ينور يا سيدي ماشي. طيب بالراحه بس. طيب نصار would you please tell us about Pythagoras as a man كإنسان يعني مين Pythagoras ده؟
He was a mathematician who discovered Pythagoras theorem from the Egyptian temples. That means that it was related to us, and they wrote it as 3, 4, 5, and 3. It can be expressed as 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2.
Okay, you can see your presentation in the screen. Yes, okay. Okay, Nassar, if I speak to you about a ladder over a house, سلم كده هنسنده عليه. And the length of the ladder is 10 feet, and the height of the house is 8 feet. What is the distance between the base of ladder and the house?
6 feet.
If you want 6 feet, excellent. Many thanks for all of you. Thank you. شكرا. تمام. ما شاء الله عليك يا أستاذ. شاطر يا أستاذ. تمام يا شباب. Okay. Khalid is ready now. طيب. خالد يا جماعة عامل لنا فيديو جميل جدا. يا ريت بس الفيديو موجود مع الناس. بيتعرض دلوقتي ولا إيه؟ الفيديو بيتعرض قدامك يا خالد ولا ايه؟ الفيديو اللي قدامنا ده يا جماعه بجد يعني هو تقريبا هو ملخص الريسيرش كمان بتاع خالد كله.
They all came up with elegant proofs for the famous Pythagorean theorem, the rule that says for a right triangle, the square of one side plus the square of the other side is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. In other words, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This statement is one of the most fundamental rules of geometry and the basis for practical applications like constructing stable buildings and triangulating GPS coordinates. The theorem is named for Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher and mathematician in the 6th century BC, but it was known more than 1,000 years earlier. A Babylonian tablet from around 1800 BC lists 15 sets of numbers that satisfy the theorem. Some historians speculate that ancient Egyptian surveyors used one such set of numbers, 3, 4, 5, to make square corners. The theory is that surveyors can stretch a knotted rope with 12 equal segments to form a triangle with sides of length 3, 4, and 5. According to the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, that has to make a right triangle, and therefore a square corner. And the earliest known Indian mathematical texts, written between 800 and 600 BC, state that a rope stretched across the diagonal of a square produces a square twice as large as the original one. That relationship can be derived from the Pythagorean theorem. But how do we know that the theorem is true for every right triangle on a flat surface, not just the ones these mathematicians use? Because we can prove it. Proofs use existing mathematical rules and logic to demonstrate that a theorem must hold true all the time. One classic proof, often attributed to Pythagoras himself, uses a strategy called proof by rearrangement. Take 4 identical right triangles with side lengths A and B and hypotenuse length C.
Please very concentrate on this example, please. And this is one pure example.
The area of that square is C squared. Now rearrange the triangles into 2 rectangles, leaving smaller squares on either side. The areas of those squares are A squared and B squared. Here's the key. The total area of the...
Okay. Your mic. هتاخده منك.
حلو درس
Khalid, in the screen we can see A power 2, B power 2, C power 2. What is the relation between these 3 samples?
If A square plus B square equals the C square. The A square plus B square are the legs of the triangles, and C is the hypotenuse of it. When we add A power 2 plus B power 2, it will be C power 2. Then the triangle is right angle triangle.
Okay, Khalid, if I'd like to ask you about the triple numbers of Pythagoras, you prepare them well?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me example for the triple of Pythagoras?
There are many things like 3, 4, and 5. 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 equal 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 equal 25.
Is there another example except 3, 4, 5?
Yes.
A new one, please. Would you please give me a new 3 numbers could be assigned for a right angle triangle?
7 and 24 and 25.
Excellent.
The 7 power 2 plus the 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2 equals 625. Since 25 power 2 equals 625 also, then the triangle is the right angle triangle.
لا بجد والله يا خالد الفيديو بتاعك بجد عجبني جدا، باضافه جامده جدا للريسيرش نفسه كمان، وخاصه ان هو في كل حاجه، في انترودكشن وفي متن للبحث وبعدين في كمان كونكلوجن وفي كمان البروف بتاع الثيرم.
سيمينار.
لا اوكي ماني ثانكس يا خالد والله، ماني ثانكس فور يور ايفورت. ماني ثانكس اند كيب اب ذا هارد ورك. كيب اب ذا هارد ورك. ممتاز يا خالد. اوكي. محمد سامر فين؟ اهلا اهلا يا فندم. محمد سامر يا جماعه من الناس اللي يعني قال ايه ده؟ ازاي يكون في ريسيرش ماس وانا مش مشترك فيه يعني؟ فالراجل بصراحه مشكورا ابدى مجهود رائع جدا وانطلق النهارده، والانطلاقه بتاعته جت بفايده يعني، والريسيرش جاهز وانا شايفه بصراحه جميل جدا يعني. ويكفيه ان هو تقريبا في اقل من نص ساعه عمل ويب سايت لبايثاغورس، يعني عمل صفحه لبايثاغورس على الانترنت لاي حد من الستودنتس يحب يخش عليها. فكان لازم فعلا بعد الجهد المشكور له دوت ان احنا لازم نعرضه على الحضرات. Hurry up يا محمد please.
ماشي. انا كنت ببقى موجود الساعه 3 و10 الولد بيجي الساعه 3:30.
Okay. First of all, this is a website. This is a website from the design of the student Muhammad Samer, and he designed it just today for our great scientist Pythagoras. First of all, I'd like you at first to state the Pythagoras theorem. Can you state the theorem? The area of the square built over the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Can you complete it, please?
The area of square,
Yes.
in d bar 2 of the diagonal of the square, that is the same of the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Over 2 equals the area of the square.
Excellent. So the area of the square built over the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle equals the sum of two areas of the other two squares over the two legs of the right angle triangle. Muhammad Samer, I'd like to ask you about example about Pythagoras. If there is isosceles right angled triangle, isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, concentrate please. Where is